Welcome back to Odooistic. Today I will show you how to correctly set up UK accounting in Odoo 19, including how installing the UK accounting and UK chart of accounts modules automatically configures the standard 20% VAT, 5% and 0% VAT or taxes for your businesses or for your business. So I will give you an example for UK, but you can install any other country accountings as provided by Odoo. So let's start. So as you can see on my screen, I'm using Odoo Enterprise Edition at the moment. And if I go in settings, you can see Odoo 19 Enterprise Edition. And it has not been installed any app. It's a fresh database. So what we can do, we can go in apps and let's start with accounting. And let's activate it first. It will take a couple of minutes. 1 or 2 minutes to install accounting module. And once our module will be installed, we just need to install the country accounting which has been provided. As you can see here on screen, Belgium accounting, Argentina accounting, Bangladesh accounting, Bahrain accounting, Brazilian. So whatever country you want to install the accounting, you can do that after installing accounting module. Okay, so once it has been installed, we need to go in apps and we can type here UK. So if you see, United Kingdom accounting already has been installed. Right, that's great. So once it has been installed, if it's not installed, you need to install it. Once it's been installed, you need to go in settings and please make sure developer mode is on. Once developer mode is on, click on accounting here in general settings and you can see here fiscal localization. Package is United Kingdom, which is great. Automatically it has been set and United Kingdom is there. And if you can see sales tax, 20%, 0%, exempt 5%. So all has been automatically set. So if we go in accounting and then we go in configuration and then taxes. So here we can see all the taxes which has been auto configured, auto set for us. 20%, 20% goods, 20% for services, 0% exempt. So these are for sales, then purchase, but the normal taxes has automatically set according to the country. Now let's see, at the moment there are two companies I have said. One is UK, one is the your company. Your company is a US company. So if I change the company now, and then if I go in settings and go in accounting, so you will see the generic chart of account has been set. It's not UK accounting fiscal localization or package has been set because company is United States. That's why sales tax are coming US, purchase US, just because US accounting has not been installed. So Odoo just configure a generic chart of accounts because company, your company is basically US company. So if I go in companies, you will see your company is US company because currency is also UST. That's why. But if I go in UK company, so in here you can see GBP, which is the currency, and also UK accounting has been installed. So that's why when we go in settings and see accountings and we change our company to UK company, then automatically you will see United Kingdom package has been set and sales and purchase taxes are 20%, which is great. So I hope you like this video. So, all right, everyone. That's exactly how you set up UK accounting in Odoo. As you saw, installing the UK localization automatically configures all the standard VAT rates like 20%, 5%, 0%, along with the full UK chart of accounts. In this video, helped you, please make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if you want more Odoo 19 tutorials, advanced customization, or real-world implementation, stay tuned. Or you can also contact me on contact@odooistic.co.uk. Also, if you want to support my channel, you can also support me on my PayPal account, which is on screen. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.